How to contact support on Revolut. So let's get started. I'm going to start by tapping on my profile picture, and next I will choose Help. If you scroll all the way down, you can see Need more help? Chat with us. Click on it. And then you need to choose a problem you have. So I got a problem with something else. And here I'm gonna type answer here. So help me with my issue. Click continue. And unfortunately I can't show you this chat, but there will be chat assistant, and then you will chat with the support. And that's it. This is how can you contact support. If you have some question, leave a comment, we can discuss, and have a nice day. See you later.